What will happen to your body if you do yoga daily? Number 1. Do yoga every day and watch your balance improve. Yoga is a great way to improve your balance. It can help you maintain the right posture, and it also helps with your breathing. Yoga can be practiced by anyone, and it doesn't require any special equipment. There are many benefits that come with doing yoga every day, but one of them is improved balance. Yoga will help you maintain the right posture, and it will also help with your breathing. Number 2. Daily yoga sessions can improve your heart health. Yoga is a type of physical exercise that originated in ancient India. It has been proven to improve your heart health. Yoga is also known as a way to reduce stress and anxiety, which can lead to heart issues. It has been shown to help reduce blood pressure and increase the flexibility of arteries. Yoga is also known to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart attack. Moreover, yoga can also improve the flexibility and strength of your muscles, which can make it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body by improving the flow of blood from the left ventricle to the rest of your body's organs and tissues. Studies have shown that people who do yoga are less likely to develop heart disease than those who don't do it regularly. Number 3. Do yoga every day and you'll likely sleep better. Yoga can help you sleep better in many different ways. The evidence that yoga has a positive impact on sleep is overwhelming. Studies show that the practice of yoga can reduce insomnia, improve sleep quality, and even lengthen the amount of time it takes to fall asleep. And, no, you don't have to do any wild poses pre-bedtime for it to work. Many of these poses include sitting and lying postures, and many of the breathing techniques are intentionally calming. Slowing the heart rate and quieting the mind in these ways can help put you right to sleep. Some specific poses the sleep expert recommends are the legs up the wall pose and corpse pose. Number 4. Doing yoga every day can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Starting with a tough workout is often the quickest way to get motivated, but it's certainly not the only way. Yoga is also excellent for weight loss and healthy weight maintenance. If that's your goal, science has proven that yoga can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. The study found that people who practiced yoga on a regular basis had lower levels of the hormone cortisol in their body. Cortisol is linked to storing fat in the body, and therefore, lower levels of cortisol means less fat storage. This study also found that people who practice yoga have improved moods, which decreases their risk of depression and anxiety, which would lead to unhealthy eating habits. As per Harvard Health, those who practiced yoga for at least a half hour once a week for 4 or more years were less likely to gain and retain weight than those who didn't. The BMI for these people is also lower than that of the subjects in the study who didn't practice yoga. Number 5. Daily yoga supports a healthy immune system. Practicing yoga can give you a wide variety of benefits, including increased immunity. Yes, it's true. Every time you practice yoga, your body's natural defense mechanisms become stronger and more able to protect you from illness. Researchers concluded that yoga improves the severity of stress-related inflammatory responses. Yoga can be a great way to boost your immunity. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think? If you liked this video, hit the like and subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Stay healthy and stay safe.